Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take ICT class for the students of class 9 on the topic Chapter 2, page number 28 to 30. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 2, page 28 to 30. Students, this is our 8th lecture and 7th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 8th lecture and 7th homework. Students, please take your textbook. We are going to read from chapter 2, page 28 to 30. So let's start. Chapter 2, open page 28. I'm going to read the text. If the ICT device is somehow infected with virus, it gradually increases in number. A virus-infected file may enter a virus for a computer or ICT device through a CD, pen drive, or any other devices. So how can a virus get entered into our ICT device? Through CD, pen drive, or any other devices. While using all these in our digital device or ICT device, our device can be affected by virus. The virus occupies the memory. It stays there even after the computer is turned off. Installation of a virus-infected program or software also infects the ICT device in the same way. In this way, a virus-free computer or ICT device is infected with virus. The same thing happens when a virus-infected program or a software is run in a computer. So, in any way, our computer can be infected with virus. So, we need to be careful. If we use antivirus, then our computer will run fast. In this way, the virus which is occupying the memory attacks other files and programs. Some viruses instantly infect all the existing files and programs, and some viruses infect only new programs and files. The subvirus deletes files and corrupts programs and causes a serious damage to the machine. So when any virus affects in our computer or enters our computer, it deletes our files, our important files, and corrupts our programs, and it causes a serious damage to our machine or our digital device. In this way, a virus-free computer is gradually infected with a virus, and it may spread to other computers through the CDs used in the infected machine, hard disks, and the internet. So, virus may spread to other computers from one computer to other computer by CD. If we use CD, and any other machine can be infected through hard disks and internet. The symptoms given below indicate that the computer and ICT devices are infected by a virus. So now we are going to talk about the symptoms that can ensure us that yes, our device is infected by virus. First one is opening a file and program task longer than the usual time. The memory has little space, leading to a slow performance of the computer. Number 2, showing unexpected messages incompatible with the works while running the computer. Installation of a program takes longer than the usual time. The running files take more space. The machine shuts down during booting or working time. The names of the folders are replaced with cryptic names. A virus can cause the following damages. It can erase any saved data or file. It can corrupt data. Abrupt and unexpected messages can be viewed on the computer. The display of the computer monitor can be corrupted. The entire system can be slowed down. So if you find any symptom from all these, you can identify that yes, my device is infected by virus. So if you read this and if you follow this, then you can keep your device safe from virus infection. Now come to page number 29. What can we do to get rid of this situation? This is effective question, what can we do to get rid of this situation? And antivirus can relieve us from this problem. So if we want to get rid of this problem, we must have to use antivirus. Antivirus is the preventive of computer viruses. If the system is infected with a virus, it should be wiped out. An antivirus utility is forced to prevent virus infection. At first, these utilities find similarities with the samples of virus in the infected computers. So if we use antivirus, it will utilize and find out the similarities with the samples of virus in the infected computer. The antivirus software, by using its experience, repairs the original program. An effective antivirus can wipe out hundreds of viruses. This is important line. Students mark it. An effective antivirus can wipe out hundreds of viruses. If the antivirus is effective, it can wipe out hundreds of viruses. When a new virus comes into being, update the antivirus to enhance its power and effectiveness. As a result, it can destroy a new virus. So if we update our antivirus, then it can destroy any new virus. Now there are a lot of antivirus that can identify, prevent, and wipe out viruses. Nowadays, the antivirus software remains attached with every operating system software. Besides, the existing antivirus destroy the virus before the attack or warn the users. Therefore, the antivirus software developed nowadays is more effective than the one used in the past. So in earlier time, virus can affect our computer devices without any warning. But for this, our specialists are making antivirus software to cope up with this problem. So we should keep the antivirus updated. So that's why we have to keep our antivirus updated. Now we can download an antivirus software free of cost from the internet to get rid of virus attack, and after installing it, we can ensure the security of the devices. So if we want to download any antivirus software for our computer, for a device, it will take no cost. The names of some trustworthy antiviruses are given below. So now we will learn about some trustworthy antiviruses. First one is AVG antivirus software, and second one Avira antivirus software, and last one Avast antivirus software. So we find three kinds of software that are trustworthy: AVG antivirus software, Avira antivirus software, and Avast antivirus software. We can follow the steps mentioned below to protect our ICT device from viruses. So if we follow all these mentioned steps, we can protect our ICT device from the infection of viruses. Number 1, CDs, pen drives, memory cards, etc. used in other computers should be cleaned and made virus-free before they are used in our own computer. So while using all these devices, that means CDs, pen drive, memory cards, from one computer to other, we have to clean it so that there is no virus infection. Number 2, the software used in other computers should be virus-free before it is used in your own computer. This is also effective. And number 3, any file copied from other computers needs to be cleaned by the antivirus software before you use it in your computer. So also, while copying any file, we need to ensure that there is no virus. Number 4, be careful when you install a piece of software in your computer from the internet. If the downloaded software contains any virus, that may infect your virus-free computer. So in your computer there can be no virus, but if you install any software which contains a virus, your computer also can get affected. Number 5, do not install any software used in other computers or devices. So you need to be careful. You will not install any software which is used in others' computers or devices. Now students, come to page number 30. We are going to talk about Rule 3. Rule 6. Always keep updated antivirus software in your computer so that prior warning message can be received when a virus starts attacking the computer. As a result, the computer may be disinfected right away following the recommended process. So to cope up with, to fight with virus, you have to keep your antivirus software updated. So if you keep this updated, you will get prior warning, or you will get a warning before the virus attack, and you can take necessary steps. So as a result, the computer may be disinfected right away following the recommended process. Number 7, data or files of every day should be saved in different disk or pen drive as a backup, but the disk or pen drive must be virus free. Number 8, be careful in exchanging emails. Don't open any email of a doubtful source. If you open it, make it virus free before opening. So exchanging emails can be harmful for your device also, so you need to be careful, cautious on this. Number 9 and last point, be very careful and check virus before using game files. Most of the people used to play games in ICT devices, so they must have to be careful because if we use any software for game, it can affect to virus. So be careful and check virus before using game files. Students, we will read only this from page 30, and in our next class we will learn about password and other topics from page 30. In our next class we will start from password from page 30. Now that's for today. I am providing your homework. Your homework will be 5 MCQ. Your homework will be 5 MCQ, and our lecture number is 8 and homework number is 7. So students, don't forget to do your homework, and don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Students, please do your homework and don't forget to submit your homework copies on every Saturday. Guardians or anyone else can come to school and can submit your homework copies. If you have any question, you can ask your teacher while it will be the time of your live class. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.